19. Healthy foods for breakfast. Energize your morning. Kickstart your day with these 19 healthy breakfast foods. Deciding what to have for breakfast can be tricky, but skipping it can leave you without the energy you need. Whether your diet leans towards carbs, proteins, or fats, incorporating fruits, whole grains, yogurt, eggs, and nut butter can fuel your morning and set a positive tone for the day. Here's what the experts recommend. Aim for a breakfast that combines good carbs and fiber with protein, says Erica Giovinazzo, MS, RDN, a registered dietitian nutritionist. Luckily, there are plenty of delicious, easy-to-find options. Let's dive into 19 nutritious breakfast foods and expert tips on making them even better. Top 19. Breakfast Superfoods. 1. Oatmeal, a fiber-rich staple that helps lower cholesterol and keeps you full. 2. Eggs, packed with protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D. 3. Yogurt, high in protein and probiotics for gut health. 4. Bananas, provide natural sweetness and are great for blood pressure. 5. Blueberries, antioxidant powerhouses that boost brain health. 6. Cantaloupe, hydrating and rich in vitamins A and C. 7. Cranberries, support digestion and heart health. 8. Grapefruit, loaded with vitamins C and A, great for those monitoring blood sugar. 9. Kiwi, high in vitamin C and fiber, aids digestion. 10. Raspberries, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. 11. Strawberries, high in antioxidants and fiber, heart healthy. 12. Watermelon, hydrating and contains lycopene for heart health. 13. Low-fat dairy, supplies calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. 14. Almond butter, a protein-rich spread with healthy fats. 15. Flaxseed, adds omega-3s and fiber, perfect for smoothies or cereals. 16. Whole grain bread, a fiber-rich base for avocado toast or eggs. 17. Cereal, opt for high-fiber, low-sugar varieties. 18. Tea, rich in antioxidants, helps reduce disease risk. 19. Coffee, boosts energy and has potential health benefits. Why breakfast matters. Skipping breakfast can lead to a lack of essential nutrients and increase the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and high cholesterol. A balanced breakfast restores energy, maintains blood sugar levels, and helps prevent overeating later in the day. Pro tips. 1. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. 2. Include whole grains and lean proteins. 3. Add a side of low-fat or non-dairy milk. Drinks to boost your morning. 1. Coffee may lower the risk of chronic illnesses and contains antioxidants. 2. Tea offers numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of diabetes and arthritis. Fruits to power up your breakfast. 1. Bananas, great for blood pressure and adding natural sweetness to meals. 2. Blueberries, enhance brain function with their antioxidant properties. 3. Cranberries, support digestion and overall health. Incorporate these foods and tips into your breakfast routine to energize your day and support long-term health. Don't skip breakfast. Fuel your body right.